I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Kosta Ligris. He is CEO and founder at Stavvy.
Good morning, thank you for having me.
Wonderful to have you here today. We're here today at the 2023 IPO Summit taking place here at the New York Stock Exchange. So looking forward to chatting with you. But before we do that, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Kosta, tell me about your company. What's your mission?
Yeah, absolutely. So Stavvy was really founded around this notion that the world can go digital and beyond just documents. So I think a lot of people initially sort of look to us and it's like, okay, well, you're looking to eliminate paper and move to a digital environment where people sign documents online, but we're actually really positioned to actually eliminate documents. We envision a world where data is at the core of everything that financial institutions and consumers do. And so we provide solutions to take transactions that have traditionally been done in person and on paper into a digital environment using structured data, for creating better experiences for people. And we're really focused right now on the vertical in real estate transactions.
Okay, so tell me, why do you think the mortgage industry is ripe for innovation, and how is Stavvy impacting change in the industry?
Yeah, so we're pretty proud to serve all aspects of mortgage lifecycle. And so what I mean by that is we function in origination when somebody's buying a home or refinancing, but we also function in mortgage servicing and foreclosure and what we call non-retention solutions. Really proud that we've actually been able to close the gap in many areas on mortgage servicing. It's not uncommon that when somebody's going through hardship, especially what we saw through the pandemic, that they can't actually go out to their community, take hours off of work to go and find a notary to sign documents. There are time-limited documents. There's time constraints associated with that. And so we actually powered the first ever fully digital loan modification for a single mom, working an hourly wage job. Did it in 15 minutes. This is something that traditionally could take 3 to 4 weeks. Mm-hmm. And so, we're creating an opportunity for people to be able to control their transactions, but also for our clients, financial institutions and the vendors that serve them, decreasing costs, increasing efficiency, better security, again, structured data. Mm-hmm. And so we're moving to a world where, again, beyond documents, beyond just paper, but beyond documents, where data can help you drive decisions. And especially in the world that we're living in now with margin compression and more volatile rate environments, we're in a position now to be able to actually help our customers decrease the cost of originating and servicing products.
All right, and tell me, how are you different from others that are in this space?
Yeah, so it's interesting. We're not the first to provide eSign solutions or remote notary solutions. Obviously, plenty of incumbents in the space. The one biggest differentiator is for us, again, we operate across the entire life cycle of lending, not at one particular place or one particular transaction instance, but also we're a pure technology company. So we provide no services. Some of the earlier incumbents in the space that offered solutions for these types of workflows also provided the notary or provided a human to consummate the transaction. And we actually don't believe in displacing the current stakeholders and ecosystem. Law firms, title companies, settlement companies, bankers, they provide service, but they also have a tremendous amount of experience. We're in a regulated industry, heavily regulated industry. And so as such, we believe in providing the technology that empowers the professionals to be able to do their job.
Okay, so we're here today at the 2023 IPO Summit taking place at the New York Stock Exchange. Tell me, what are you hoping to gain from this event?
Yeah, so I've always believed that everything is about people. And so one of my favorite quotes, Simon Sinek talks a lot about, if you don't understand people, you don't understand business. And so, being here for me, the content, being able to engage with other founders and people in the ecosystem, both from the public and private markets, and trying to really get a finger on the pulse of what's happening, both in the capital markets, but also just in general with innovation and how technology companies, both in the private and the public sector, are impacting our future.
All right, well, Kosta, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much.